Creators, do you know you can make a lot of money if you make 3 to 4 channels? If you know you can specialize in being a content creator, full-time a content creator, you can make money. Suppose each of the channel, you have 3 channels, and each of the channel you're earning, the minimum you're earning $400. It means a month you'll be having $1,200, and if you increase to 500, you'll be making $1,500. Is it simple? No, hold on. I don't want you to rush. It is simple, and at the same time it is not simple. Making money online, you have to lay strategies, you have to see the where to touch, the good notes, and you have to see how to do it, depending on your niche, depending on your timing, depending on growing your audience, and also you have to optimize your video metadata. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This video is for educational purposes. It is not, I'm not a financial controller, no, I'm a financial guru. I'm a person that says, let me bring what works for me. Whenever something is working for me, I bring it. And I really tell you that, do you know what? Hey, the world is doing like this. People are earning like this. So it is left for you to use my 10% I bring. Then you do research. When you you feel you can do, you can work with it, you continue and work with it. But there are requirements that you need for you to make these 3 channels. One, majorly you need phone. At least you should be having 2 phones if you're to go for 3 channels. Then you need also internet connection. The ideas are with you. Guys, can you hold on? I first say thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you very much. You're in the right place. We give ideas, we give tips that are friendly and reliable. No investing any coin in our teachings. No. If someone tells you that please first pay me and I do this, run away for your life. That is not to us. And to you, our top engagers, I love you so much. You guys, you make us, and you made us yesterday, and you continue making us. So let's dive in and see exactly, do you think you need to make 3 channels? And can you do it? Yes, you can do it. But before you do it, I would love to tell you, before you resign from your job for full-time content creation and entrepreneurship, as far as social media is concerned, I want you to first focus and make a simple survey for yourself and do training for yourself. I'm going to teach you something. Do you know it is worth talking, but doing might be hard, especially if you're in a comfort zone. Which comfort zone do I mean? When you have no boss who is going to boss you around, when you have no someone who's going to be checking you on camera that you've scratched, maybe you've gone to washroom, you should sit like this. No, when you know you're waking up and now it is your own boss, you work at your terms. It's very dangerous and at the same time very sweet. But you need to first understand the principles that time it's not you. So you need to first yourself test, put yourself in testing too, and training. I want you, before you give up another job, I want you to see, are you fit to be a social media entrepreneur full-time? Because you need not to cry or to beg at the end of the day. Now, what you need to do, whether you're still working in another place or you're part-time, you're doing some other job, you need to make sure that what you're supposed to do when you are fully social media entrepreneur 100%, you are doing it even when you're employed. Why? You will think that if I'm seated full at home, I'll be 100% okay. But if you know you cannot record 3 videos per week and you still miss excuses, Mr. Excuses, I advise you, don't do a mistake and resign, because there is too much comfort when you're already at home. Now, after testing yourself, like, I want you to go out, like, for example, if you're in your vacation, get that vacation purposely to concentrate on your social media. Treat it like as if it is your business and see, can you open every day? What time and what time will you cross? Because however much you are your own boss, you need to remain with sanity. You need to remain with discipline. Yes, because you will not say, I'll sleep up to 12 since I'm my own boss, and again I will go to club, I'll come back, and at the end of the day you find you have not fulfilled even posting on one channel. So start with that free vacation of 1 month. See, can you really run 2 fully? Even can you run 1 fully? So you wake up in the morning like any other business person, shower, put on well, hit your studio. If I'm talking about your studio, not everybody is privileged to have a studio, but get your gadgets, get your phone, and start off. Now let's go on the other side. The moment you see that you can easily do this thing daily basis in 30 days, and you see the results, you're good to start going. You're good to start planning. On the other side, too, someone is asking, where do I get data, or where do I get videos for 3 channels? Did you know that your life is content? You can have even as more than 10 channels as you want. Why? Because there is a niche down. Every part of what you do is a niche. Let's come, reach near and I tell you about it. Do you know cooking your meals is a niche? Yes, it's a niche, and it's not avoidable. You cook every day, and you cannot get cooking and you mix it with how to make money online. If you want to teach us how you cook your Nigeria, your Uganda, your Cameroon, your Ethiopian meals, it means you're going to niche down. You're going to make a channel purposely for cooking or for lifestyle. You have a skill. Are you a kind of a person who loves to counsel people? Are you a kind of a person who motivates? That's a niche. So those are already 2. So are you like me, who hates poverty? Or you're someone out there who wants to promote digital projects or digital products? These are damn 3 niches already. So niches or ideas are easy to get because they are within you. You're not going to borrow them from outside. What you do, I always tell you, give out something that you're free with, that whenever they ask you from the bed, you stand up and make it. Hope I'm clear. Then the moment you start with 1 channel, develop it, then go to the 2nd channel, develop it, and scale it to the 3rd channel. Trust me, if you use this method, yourself will find you employing other people, because you will need editors, you will need people who are managing the social medias, you will need people who are even transcribing for you, and you'll be at the comfort of your home. You'll be enjoying vacations left and right. So yes, we can make money seated at home with different platforms. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.